Right then, fueling up. Right, so what you'll need to do for this one is open that fuel cap. How'd you do it? In the Jimny, open your door. Down by your seat, you maybe remember a little switch by where your right foot would go. See it?
A switch?
Yeah. See where down bottom right of the seat?
Oh yeah.
Pull it. There you go. Hello.
Oh great.
It opens up. Alright.
Magic.
Other way. There you go. Lovely.
Okay.
I'll tell you what that click was in a minute. Right, now where are you going to put that?
Nowhere, it's hanging on your door?
No, we don't just hang it because it can knock against the paintwork. Alright? Keeping it facing that way. Look at that. Alright, face it that way. Move that. Slot that into
Right, okay.
into there. Didn't get that on camera, did I? So that, go on, slot it in.
Slot.
And it hangs.
Great.
Lovely. Usually most cars have somewhere to put that. See, it's not just kind of hanging.
Petrol on me.
Which one are we going to use?
I've got no idea.
Alright, so we can use the standard one, or we can use BP Ultimate.
Which one?
Let's go for this one.
Oh, okay.
It's better quality.
It's heavy?
Alright, good. So you're keeping it upright, which is good because we don't want to...
Spill it.
Good, excellent.
Then I just put it in there.
All the way up. Good. Excellent. That's on 0. Alright, we're just going to fill it to the top. Give it a good squeeze.
Squeeze?
Yeah.
What am I squeezing?
That trigger.
Ah.
Good.
Ah, okay.
Lovely. Easy peasy. All the way to the top. Let's have a guess. How much do you reckon? I'll give you a clue. It's in between 40 and 60
Litres or pounds?
pounds.
How many litres is it?
Don't know. Good question.
50 then.
All right, 50. I'm going to say 56.
How many litres am I doing?
All the way.
Yeah, how many litres is your...
No way. Don't ask questions like that. Don't know. I did know. Someone can tell me in the comments. Oh, it'll just shut off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Sorry, that's what you meant.
Yeah.
That's what you meant.
Yeah.
So I've said 56, you're going to 50. You might be closer, you know. Yeah, so when it gets to the top, right, it's got auto shut off. So you'll feel the handle go click. Oh, you're closer, 52, 55. Before you pull it out, you've still got fuel in the nozzle.
I do,
all right.
So I'm going to shake it off.
Tip it up, good. Shake it off. And then which way are you going to tip the whole thing? Good. Love it. No drips. And you've got everything that you've paid for. You like it?
Yeah.
Good.
Brilliant.
Screw that on. I want you to screw it until you feel that click again like before. What's that click? Do it again. Keep turning it.
Super sharp.
Click, click. Go on, it just keeps clicking. You know what that's for?
To be like, yeah, I'm shut.
So it doesn't get stuck. So that's like anti-tighten.
Okay.
So it'll only go to that and then click. So you'll always be able to unscrew it.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Because if it didn't have that anti-lock feature, you could over-tighten it and never get it off. And now you need to wash your hands, don't you? There's wipes in there. I'll treat you. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Done alright there, didn't you?
Now, pay for it.
Yeah, thank you.